How to change PIN on Valora Wallet app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change PIN on Valora Wallet app. In order to do so, first of all, open your Valora Wallet application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here in this home tab, you will be able to see settings on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Now from here you will need to select security and privacy option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it, and now inside it you will need to look for the option change PIN. Once you get it, simply tap on it to open it, and now here you will need to enter your current PIN to verify your identity. Enter your PIN here. After entering the PIN, now you will be prompted to set up a new PIN. Once after entering the PIN, you will need to confirm it, and then once you have confirmed, you will see you have successfully changed your PIN. Now you will need to use this new PIN in order to log into your Valora Wallet app. So by following these steps, you can easily change your PIN on Valora Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.